And now we're going to talk about lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry. And I want to demonstrate this by first drawing a shape. Let's say we have a triangle, right? Now, a line of symmetry is basically a line that divides a shape into two or more identical and equal sides or parts. For an example, if you look at the triangle right here, if I was to draw a line right here, right at the center, you will notice that the line cuts right through half of the shape and it divides the shape into two equal parts, A and B. Now, many shapes are symmetrical, which is to say that many shapes can be divided into parts that are symmetrical. However, other shapes are not. For example, if I was to draw something like this, right? A shape that looked like this. There is no way for me to draw a line in such a way that the shape is divided into two equal and identical parts. If I draw a line here, you'll notice that this side is not the same as this side. Maybe if I drew a line this way. Nope, doesn't work either. This side is not the same as this side. So not all shapes are symmetrical. These kinds of shapes are known as asymmetrical shapes. Asymmetrical shapes. Now, I don't want to talk a lot about those. I want to focus on the symmetrical shapes. I want to focus on the symmetrical shapes. Now, let me try and draw another shape on my little board here. Say we have, I want to try and draw a circle. Say we have a circle, right? Looks like a pretty decent circle. And we want to draw a line of symmetry. Well, if I was to draw a line this way, the shape is now divided into two identical parts. What about this way? Two more identical parts. Let me draw it more into the center. Two more identical parts. Now, you can also draw a line going that way. Right? For a circle, you can draw as many lines as you want and the shape will still be symmetrical. The line will still be a line of symmetry. That's basically what lines of symmetry are. You just look at a shape and see if the shape can be divided into two or more equal parts. Two or more equal parts. Let's try another shape. How about this shape over here? Right? Now if I drew a line right at the center, the shape has been divided into two equal parts. Now if I was to draw a line going this way, it wouldn't quite work because the part at the top is not the same as the part at the bottom. And so in that way, you would say that the line is not a line of symmetry. This is a very fun activity to do if you like geometry. And that's all I have to say about lines of symmetry. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. Watch it over again. Come on, practice. Draw your own shapes. See if you can draw lines of symmetry on the shapes. And maybe you'll have fun like I am right now. Thank you and danko.